Now, this is how you can turn off text previews on the Apple Watch. Let me talk about that. And if you are first time on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, you can turn on one interesting toggle in the Watch app of the iPhone, which is obviously the place, like it's the Apple Watch settings on the iPhone. And you can go there and enable what's called, at first go to the notification section, is right there at the top of the list. But you need to tap on the tap to show full notification toggle. If you enable that, the next time you receive a notification, which might be a text message or anything else, you will see it on your wrist, but it's not going to share or show any content or preview of that message unless you actually tap on it with your finger to confirm it, and then it's going to show you the additional information about it, right? So it doesn't like share or show it to anyone around you. So it's very useful. That's probably the exact thing that you had in mind, so that is how you can enable it. One thing about it is that we can only do it for like the general notification. It's not like you can specifically decide which apps can have that option enabled or not, but yeah, it is what it is, and that's how it works. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos too.